Solve the following simultaneous equations by using the method of elimination. So we've got 5x plus 2y is equal to 7, and we've got 2x minus 3y is equal to 18. So using the method of elimination, writing down the equations, 5x plus 2y is equal to 7, and then 2x minus 3y is equal to 18. We're going to call that one equation 1 and this one equation 2. Now, we notice we don't really have any number here the same. We have 2 and minus 3 here, and here we have 5 and 2. So what we need to do is try and either make both the number in front of y the same, or the number in front of x the same. In this one we're going to make the number in front of y the same. Now, the lowest, if we multiply the top one by 3, we're going to get 3 times 5, which is 15x, 3 times 2, which gives me 6 plus 6y, and then 3 times 7, which is equal to 21. Now, sometimes when you multiply an equation by the same number, quite often students forget to multiply the last number, so please don't forget. Now, if we multiply the equation 2 by 2, we're going to get 4x minus 6y, and then 2 times 18 is equal to 36. Now, we'll see here we now have a 6, a plus 6 and a minus 6. If we add these two equations together, we will eliminate one of the variables. If you were going to eliminate x, you'd multiply the top one by 2 and the bottom one by 5. Okay, so that gives you 15 plus 4x, which is 19x, and we're adding because the signs here are different. So plus 6 minus 6 gives nothing, and then 21 plus 36 gives 57. And then if we divide both sides by 19, we're going to get that x is equal to 3. We then substitute that into either 1 or 2. So we're going to substitute into equation 1, so we're going to have 5 times 3 plus 2y is equal to 7, so that's going to give 15 plus 2y is equal to 7. Subtracting 15 from both sides, that's going to give that 2y is going to be equal to 7 minus 15, which is minus 8, and then dividing by 2 on both sides, we're going to get that y is equal to minus 4. We should then check our answers, x is 3, y is minus 4, in equation 2. So if we do that, we're going to get 2 times 3 minus 3 times minus 4 is equal to 6 plus 12, 2 3's are 6, minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12, which gives 18, which is what we wanted, so we've got an agreement, and therefore the final answers are x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 4. So this has been a video to show you how to solve equations using the method of elimination when you have to multiply either one or both the equations first. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.